Guys, to unlock the pattern password on this Samsung F06, today we're going to show you how to unlock this screen password, okay? First, remove your SIM card and your memory card so you don't lose any files stored on them, alright? You can leave the device on this emergency screen to perform the procedure. Or here, where it's asking for the pattern, as you can see, connect the cable. In some cases, you'll need to connect the USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any software. If you also need to unlock your email just with everything from Google, we can help you unlock it no matter where you are. Just talk to me, leave your comment, your question, your doubt, and we'll do our best to help you, okay? So you're going to press the volume down and power buttons at the same time. When it restarts, release only the volume down and press volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen and stays there without turning off, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'll show you here, so please follow the step-by-step instructions carefully. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I want to ask you to subscribe. Alright, so let's get started. Volume down and power. Keep holding them until the device restarts, just like we told you. It's important that you follow the timing here exactly, so you don't make a mistake. Release volume down, press volume up. Now, pay attention to the screen. On some models it blinks, but that's not what we're looking for. We need the name to stay on the screen. It should light up and stay on the screen so you can release your finger from the power button. Now yes, release the power button and keep holding the volume up until it enters recovery mode, just like we mentioned. This is recovery mode. Disconnect the cable. Now, press volume down to scroll to the factory reset option and confirm by clicking the power button. Scroll down again and confirm once more. Let's wait for this process to finish so we can continue. Confirm one more time. And now your device is already being unlocked. If everything went well, it will restart now. It won't ask for any lock screen password you may have set anymore. If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will also be in the video description. And it doesn't matter how much you give. What matters is your support. I hope I was able to help you, and that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks, take care, see you next time.